idea?
পড়িব
Every single day, I'm gonna be something great. That's my way. Every single day,
Tomato. Ase hi tol. Hi tolot fruit chalo badya. Hi tolot.
that's my way.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Monalisha and I am a mommy to a beautiful 2.5-year-old toddler. Today I am gonna share with you our evening to nighttime routine that we usually have for our son. So our evening routine starts with Ado waking up from his afternoon nap. He loves hugging and cuddling after that. Today he is a bit pampered. Pamperedness of your child is a part of every mom's life. As my husband is taking care of Ado, I will quickly go and make our evening snacks. So for evening snacks, I am making some banana pithas and tea for myself and Manoj. I have shared this banana pitha recipe on my channel before and the same will I share the link in my description box below. Do check the description box. Evening snacks is something that we don't generally get time to have on our normal days before the lockdown. But now we all look forward to it. This is the time where we get some of our favorite moments. Though banana pithas are favorite to Ado, he didn't take a bite of it today. This is the most hurdle part of being a mom when you prepare something so delicately and your child don't even give a look to it. Now it's time for Ado to go for cycling. He always gets excited when we take him out.
Good night, Noah.
So today is a decently cool day because it was rainy in the morning and everything that surrounds us looks so fresh and trees are so green today. When I was a child, I too enjoyed my cycling, but not with my parents but with my friends, because in our time we didn't get a cycle at this tiny age.
এটা হাই দিয়া
I feel privileged to get such a good campus where I can at least come out of my house even during this tough situation.
এটা রেইন
This is a playground inside our campus where both Ado and his daddy used to come for jogging, and many other students used to come here before. But now it's also empty and filled up with water and it splashes. It's really a sad feeling for us to see this place empty. This lockdown has become a part of our life, and I have now realized that we are actually creating our memories through it. Ado is getting super bored at home due to this lockdown situation, as none of his friends are coming to play with him, nor he is going to the park. So he don't wants to come back home even when it's getting dark. So after so much of efforts, Ado is finally ready.
খোলা বাবা ভালো লাগিছে বাবা গামি করব বলি
After coming back, I took a quick shower to freshen up myself. After that, Ado demanded his watermelon juice, so I quickly make it too. When I give a new glass or a bottle to him, he drinks from that bottle only for a week. After that, he fall over on our glasses. That is what he is doing now. It's almost 7:30 p.m. now. Ado is playing with his regular toys until he gets bored. So now the time for me to prepare our dinner. Dinner tonight is some chicken curry and chapatis and khichdi for Ado. Generally, I don't make separate meals for Ado, but today I am just making an alternative to chapatis for him. Our son mostly prefers rice and dal for dinner.
আরে মামি বিলাইটা লৈ গৈ দিয়া বিলাইটা লৈ যা বিলাহী টমাটার আছে সেই তলত আছে এই তলত আছে তলত
After getting bored of his toys, he started playing with his daddy. These days, his favorite pastime is playing peekaboo with whatever things he gets that can at least hide his eyes.
পাপা সর্দি লেগে গেছে রাম রাম তোমার না লাগে পাপা সর্দি লেগে গেছে
Ado don't like khichdi much, but I used to give him because I don't want to overreact or try to apply a strict dietary regimes to discourage him over food. being so naughty that makes him so adorable. I never get a peaceful time for having my food because midway I have to run after my kid as he needs to go either for his potty or for his pee, or he is doing something mess. So after half an hour of our dinner, it's time for Ado to get a warm bath. So Ado's daddy is helping me tonight to get Ado ready for bed. While I quickly grab all his nighttime products like his night PJs, his lotion, his favorite storybook, and whole cow milk that help him to relax. Oh, Borit! Then we like to wind down before bed by reading a book, and this is Ado's favorite book right now, Peppa the Pig. While we are reading the book, Ado's daddy will quickly do the dinner dishes, which I suppose is a common scenario now in every house during this lockdown because our maids are not coming.
Baby eyes. Pepper eyes. That's not. But, oh dear. She has. She has. Also, Kili, that's a sorry. Who said? Sorry, George. Says Peppa.
So after we have read the book, we turn the lights off, but this little one has so many things to say and he sings all the known rhymes till he falls asleep. So guys, this is how our evening to nighttime routine looks like during this quarantine. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked today's video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it and do subscribe to my channel.